Hello, my dear students of class 2nd. Welcome back in our English class. Students, we have finished our syllabus till PA1, right? Now, we will start continuing our syllabus for SAA1. Okay? In that syllabus, chapter first that we are going to study is chapter number 4, Partho the Park Keeper. Okay, this is chapter number 4, Partho the Park Keeper. Partho is a name of a person whose work is to keep a park clean. What is the meaning of park keeper? Park keeper means a person who takes care of a park. Okay, so Partho is the man who takes care of a park. Let us start reading the chapter. Partho was a park keeper. He worked with 5 other people. Partho was a park keeper and he worked with 5 other people. As you can see in this picture, this is Partho and he worked in the park with 5 other people. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. He and his team kept the park clean. Partho loved his job. He and his team. Team means a group of people who always work together. So, Partho and his team kept the park clean. Partho loved his job. He enjoys his work. Okay? Once every year. That means once in a year. In every year, once. साल में एक बार. The park was closed for cleaning. The park was closed for cleaning. No one could use the park then. When the park was closed, no one could use the park. This year, the park was closed on a weekend. Now, this year, the park was closed on a weekend. And what is the meaning of weekend? Weekend means Saturday and Sunday. Okay? Last 2 days of the week. So, that is called weekend. Okay? Partho and his team were very busy for 2 days. Why they were busy for 2 days? Because they have to clean the park in the weekend, and weekend means Saturday and Sunday. That means 2 days. Okay. So, for Saturday and Sunday 2 days, Partho and his team was very busy. They went around the park doing many things. They went around the park doing many things. As you can see in the picture, everybody is doing something, right? So, on Saturday, they picked up the litter and put it in large bags. On Saturday, what did they do on Saturday? They picked up the litter. And what is the meaning of litter? Litter means piece of waste paper, bottle and so on lying on the ground. When we go in a park or somewhere outside our house, we can see some plastic bags, some chips wrappers, टॉफ़ी के रैपर्स, चॉकलेट रैपर्स, राइट, कोल्ड ड्रिंक के बॉटल यहाँ वहाँ पड़े रहते हैं, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड लिटर। ओके, ऐसा कचरा जिसे हम हाथ से उठाकर और बिन में डाल देते हैं। ओके, so that is called litter. They picked up the litter and put it in large bags. They have some large bags जिनमें उन्होंने सारा लिटर, वेस्ट पेपर्स, प्लास्टिक बैग्स, एम्प्टी बॉटल्स, वो सब उन्होंने उस प्लास्टिक बैग में भर लिए। People should throw rubbish only in the bins, said Partho. What did Partho said? He said people should throw rubbish only in bins. लोगों को कचरा केवल बिन्स में, that means डस्टबिन, उसी में ही डालना चाहिए। Who said this? Partho said this. What is the meaning of rubbish? Rubbish means things that people do not want and they throw it away, right? The things that people did not want, like we eat all the chips from the packet and we don't want to keep that empty packet with us, right? So what do people do? They just throw it away. So Partho said they should not throw it like this. They have to put it in the dustbin. They have to throw it in the dustbin. His team nodded. His team agreed, right? And nodded means to move your head up and down to say yes, right? Now next page. Page number 25. Okay, now we will read page number 20. Now we will read the text on page number 25. Page number 25. They weeded the flower beds and planted new seeds. They means Partho and his team. And weeded means to remove extra unwanted plants. Okay, Partho and his team weeded the flower beds. Flower beds means long, neat rows of plants with flowers. Okay, will you remember that whenever you enter in our school, you can see a long, very long row of plants. Do you remember? जब आप स्कूल के अंदर एंटर करते हैं तो साइड में, राइट हैंड साइड में आपको एक लंबी सी नीट एंड क्लीन रो दिखती है प्लांट्स की। छोटा सा प्लांट्स होते हैं और बहुत दूर तक एक नीट एंड क्लीन रो होती है। दैट रो इज कॉल्ड फ्लावर बेड्स। ओके, एंड प्लांटेड न्यू सीड्स। सो व्हाट डिड पार्थो एंड हिज टीम डिड? They weeded. They removed the extra grass from the flower beds and planted new seeds. They trimmed the grass. Trimmed means to cut the top part. Okay, we trim our nails, right? So we cut the upper part of our nail. That is called trimming. Okay, so what did they do? They trimmed the grass. They cut the top of the grass, as you can see in this picture. Okay, he is cutting the top of the grass so that it will look nice. Okay, they scrubbed the swings. They scrubbed the swings, seesaws and slides. Scrubbed means to rub something very hard to clean it. Okay, किसी चीज़ को तेज़ी से या ताकत से रगड़ना जिससे कि वो एकदम साफ हो जाए. तो what did they scrubbed? They scrubbed swings, seesaws and slides. That means जितने भी झूले उस पार्क में थे पार्थो और उसकी टीम ने उनको स्क्रब करके क्लीन किया. They fixed the broken merry-go-round. They fixed the broken merry-go-round. As you can see in this picture, this is called merry-go-round and they are fixing it. वो टूट गया है और वो उसे वापस फिक्स कर रहे हैं. The children will be so happy. Partho smiled. When they complete all the things, they clean the park, they weeded the flower beds, and they scrubbed the seesaws, swings and slides. And when they fixed merry-go-round, after that Partho smiled and said, the children will be so happy. जब बच्चे गार्डन में आएंगे, इस पार्क में आएंगे, दे विल बी सो हैप्पी टू सी एवरीथिंग वेरी नीट एंड क्लीन एंड फिक्स्ड. सो दे पार्थो स्माइल्ड. ऑन संडे they painted all the benches in the park. So this much work they have done on Saturday, right? Whatever cleanliness is needed in the park, they finished it on Saturday. Now on Sunday, what did they do? They painted all the benches in the park. They painted all the benches in the park. Partho told his team, we must put up notice that say wet paint next to the benches. Partho told his team that we will put notices that say wet paint next to the benches. हम benches के side में एक नोट लगा देंगे जिस पर लिखा होगा वेट पेंट. वेट मीन्स गीला. ओके, वेट मीन्स गीला. तो हम बेंचेस के साइड में यहाँ पर एक बोर्ड लगा देंगे जिस पर लिख देंगे वेट पेंट, जिससे कि लोगों को ये पता चल जाएगा, क्योंकि अब संडे है और कल से तो दैट मीन्स मंडे से लोग पार्क में आना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. अब बट ये पेंट तो इतनी जल्दी नहीं सूखेगा. तो पार्थो ने सोचा हम यहाँ पर एक बोर्ड लगा देंगे जिस पे लिखा होगा वेट पेंट. गीला है पेंट तो लोग अलर्ट हो जाएंगे और इस पर नहीं बैठेंगे, इससे उनकी ड्रेस खराब नहीं होगी. बाय इवनिंग द वर्क वॉज फाइनली डन. शाम तक काम पूरा हो चुका था. एवरीवन वॉज टायर्ड. नाउ एवरीबडी इज टायर्ड बिकॉज दे आर वर्किंग सो हार्ड फॉर 2 days. So they are now very tired. So they sat on a bench and enjoyed tea and snacks. So they all sat on benches and they had some tea and snacks and they enjoyed together. They looked around and felt happy. They looked around and felt happy. The park looked new. Why they were feeling happy? Because park was looking new. But when they stood up, but what happened? When they stood up, जब वो खड़े हुए, their backs were covered in paint. Their backs were covered in paint. देखिए, you can see here when they stood up, जब वो खड़े हुए तो उनकी बैक, उनकी पूरी शर्ट एंड पैंट, उनके पूरे बैक गंदे हो चुके थे विथ पेंट, पूरे पेंट से कवर्ड थे. ओह नो, सैड पार्थो. अरे नहीं, पार्थो ने कहा, वी शुड हैव पुट अप द वेट पेंट नोटिसेस बिफोर वी सेट डाउन. अरे नहीं, हमें अपने बैठने से पहले ही वेट पेंट वाला नोटिस लगा देना चाहिए था. एवरीबडी लाफ्ड. और सभी हंसने लगे. एवरीवन लाफ्ड. So here the chapter is over. Now we will do the exercises of this chapter. For the explanation of the exercise, I will send you another video. Okay, so all of you read this chapter once again and read the exercises that are given on page number 26, 27, 28. Okay, I will send you another video with the explanation of these exercises. Good day.